What's up, guys? It's Sean. I'm going to talk about the difference between the real estate and the stock market investment. First of all, I know real estate, but I don't know anything about stock market. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just a real estate agent. So no matter what kind of investment, whether a stock or real estate, one of the pros of the stock market is that you can gain a lot in the short term. To buy stock and to sell stock is pretty easy, but selling and buying real estate takes a lot longer steps, many different steps, longer time, and more difficult than buying, selling stocks. If you want to make a lot of profit in the short term, like within 6 months, you need cash in order to buy in a lower price and flip in about 6 months. The downside of the stock market is that you could lose a lot of money within the short time, or all of them. But in real estate, to lose all the value in your property, it's pretty hard because even the house burns down, let's say, the insurance money will cover most of the value. So if you buy real estate about 5 or 10% lower than the market value, about 10 to 15 years, you should be able to get about 12 to 15% return of your investment. So the stock is more like fast car, a very expensive fast car that costs a lot of money and it could lose a lot of value and you could crash really fast. And real estate is more like buying a SUV that is slow, stable, not too fancy, but very stable. Really the most important thing is whether it's a stock or real estate, you need to study and you need to understand those products in order to do well in investing. You have to know what you're doing in those categories. So if you don't know either of them, you need to read books and start learning about those investments first. It may take about 6 months to a year to learn about one product, whether it's a stock or real estate, but that's what I would recommend, at least go in with some knowledge. I think the stock market has a lot higher chance of failing completely. In real estate, if you buy something within the current market value, within 5% plus minus, the chance of failing that badly is pretty high in stock, but not in real estate. The plus side of the real estate is that once you borrow the mortgage, the tenant pays off your mortgage over time. So one most important thing in investing, whether it's a stock or real estate, is that using the compound interest, compound effect, that is going to just give you that miracle power. As long as you use the time, the longer period with the compound interest, the more money you're going to gain in the long term. I hope you like this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. No matter what kind of investment, whether a stock or real estate, 어떤 투자이든 주식이나 주택이라도 compound interest, use that. compound 누적된 이자율을 꼭 확인 이용. Always